all-purpose flour is a versatile and general-use wheat flour. It is milled from hard red wheat or a blend of hard and soft wheats, typically at a 80-20 ratio. As the name suggests, all-purpose flour is suitable for all types of baked goods such as bread, biscuits, pizza, cookies, muffins, etc. It is also used in thickening gravies and sauces. Due to bran removal and loss of nutrients, all-purpose flour is usually enriched with vitamins and minerals. It is available commercially as bleached or unbleached. Origin: wheat flour is one of the most common food ingredients throughout the world. The availability of different wheat varieties in different regions has defined the types of baked goods adopted by different populations. Millers can usually produce all-purpose flours that meet industrial bakers' needs for making cakes, breads, pastries, cookies, pizza, flatbread, and many other bakery products. This type of flour was traditionally developed in the southern regions of the United States, and its use slowly migrated to the north. It is made either from hard wheat or bread flour, or a blend of hard and soft flour, or cake flour. Commercial production. Several steps are involved in producing this flour. Wheat grains are milled to separate the endosperm from the bran. The white endosperm is then ground into fine powder to form all-purpose unbleached flour. At the end of the mill stream, the flour can be bleached using bleaching and maturing agents to create a bleached all-purpose flour. Fortification with vitamins, like thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, and minerals, like iron or calcium, are usually added into the final stream of flour. Application: all-purpose flour is essential for the structure of traditional baked goods such as pizza crust or flatbread, cakes and muffins, cookies, noodles, pancakes and pastries, pie crusts and quick breads. It should be noted that cakes made of this type of flour are typically not as light or tender as cakes made out of cake flour. Similarly, bread made with all-purpose flour tends to be softer than that made of bread flour. All-purpose flour can also be combined with other types of flour to produce a variety of food products, such as with durum to produce semolina bread, or with whole wheat flour to produce whole wheat bread, or with soybeans to produce spaghetti. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.